We begin this bulletin with a big breaking news coming in. This is related to the probe report of a judicial commission that was constituted after the riots broke out in UP Sambhal. This was in November last year. Now, this report has made some sensational claims. It says that the population of the Hindus has gone down consistently in Sambhal area since 1947, and now because of this, politics has started over these probe details. Samajwadi Party has slammed the Yogi government over this probe report. Samajwadi Party says that the Sambhal riots actually happened under Yogi government's rule and that Yogi government has been in power for the last 10 years. Now, Samajwadi Party say that the government was caught napping over Sambhal terror hub. That how did this turn into a terror hub if the Yogi government was in power? BJP, on the other hand, is saying that the probe reveals that this was a bid to create a population imbalance. They are saying that truth is out on the Sambhal riots. They say that since 1947, due to appeasement, there has been a change in population demographics. Now, let's listen into the political reactions that are coming in related to this probe.
Violent riots took place in Sambhal. People were killed. The administration completely was sleeping. Even the people from the Uttar Pradesh government sitting in Lucknow refused to react. And later on, everything was heaped on the people out there. A survey was being conducted. The government did not take responsibility. How did these people who were responsible for the riots get into Sambhal? How were these arms smuggled into Sambhal, which were laterally put on your public platform also? How Sambhal narcotics have also been mentioned, drugs have been mentioned. How is this smuggling of narcotics happening with the central government being in rule for almost 15 years, and this is the second term of Yogi Adityanath? This is the responsibility of the government, and the government is going to be held responsible. When this report is going to come in Vidhan Sabha, we are going to question each and every point.
वसीम बरेलवी जी की दो पंक्तियां हैं कि फैसला लिखा रखा हुआ है पहले से खिलाफ, आप क्या खाक सफाई देंगे? तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में संबल हिंसा को लेकर एक गोपनीय रिपोर्ट माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को सौंपी गई। उस गोपनीय रिपोर्ट में क्या लिखा हुआ है, ये उस कमेटी के हेड मीडिया के सामने चर्चा करते हैं, लेकिन वो रिपोर्ट गोपनीय है। सूचना विभाग बताता है क्या चलाना है क्या नहीं चलाना है, लेकिन वो रिपोर्ट गोपनीय है। तो ऐसी गोपनीय रिपोर्ट के बारे में जनता भली भांति जानती है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऐसी गोपनीय रिपोर्ट केवल जनता का ध्यान मुख्य मुद्दों से बांटने के लिए लेके आती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई भी हथकंडा अब पीडीए के सामने चलने वाला नहीं है।
मानव जीवन के लिए सुरक्षा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। जहां जहां भी सुरक्षा के एहसास का अभाव होता है, वहां से व्यक्ति पलायन कर जाता है। और संभल के हिंसा को लेकर के जो रिपोर्ट आई है, उस रिपोर्ट भी इस तरह से इंगित कर रही है कि बड़ी संख्या में दंगों में हिंसा के नाते हिंदुओं को पलायन के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ा। लेकिन देश के लिए ये एक बड़ा खतरा है, क्योंकि देश में जानबूझ करके डेमोग्राफी को चेंज करने के लिए एक साजिश रची जा रही है, और ये डेमोग्राफिक चेंज इस देश की इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी के लिए एक बड़ा खतरा है।
So this report has turned into a point of contention between the political parties of Uttar Pradesh. This report claims that there has been a significant demographic shift in the Sambhal area since 1947. After the independence, they claim that there have been 15 riots, and the report also claims that due to consistent appeasement politics, there has been a shift in demographics and there has been a huge fall in the population of Hindus. Just about 15% are left in that area now. For more on this, I'm joined by Samarth Srivastav. Samarth, do try and explain to us this judicial report that we are seeing, the findings that are being revealed. This focuses more on the demographic shift, it seems, and how Sambhal has turned into an area which is right now a big focus of illegal activity and also terror activities. What about the probe of why the riots happened there?
Exactly. As we understand that the 450 pages report has been submitted to CM Yogi Adityanath, and it clearly says that there was a demographic change happened in Sambhal, and that's why the Hindu population, which was earlier used to be 45%, reduced to 15%, and that's a big claim in the report as per the sources what we are getting. Not just that, even terror modules are active right here. The narcotics team was also active right out there. So these are the major claims being made in this particular report, and not just that. What SPMP gave the statement during that point of time is also mentioned that it's part of the entire right. But now the Samajwadi Party is also hitting back and saying that when Yogi Adityanath government is on in the state for the past 8 years, how this particular riot happened. But the report clearly says that a total of 15 riots happened in Sambhal, and that also led to the exodus of a lot of Hindu families. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Samad, for all those details. So clearly a report that is indicating towards a huge demographic shift in UP's Sambhal area.